Good morning mga bad. Morning.
Good morning.
Guys, so dilis. Kain tayo guys. Favorite ride since your childhood?
Yeah.
Favorite niya daw. Guys, kain tayo. Dilis. Kain tayo guys.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
Kain tayo.
It looks delicious.
Kakamay ako, Bea. You want? Ganda ng kuko, diba? Ha?
Yeah. No, you try.
One time only, one
You
time.
try.
So good, right? Alam nyo guys, kinakain niya kahit ano. Kakainin niya kahit ano. Huwag lang kahit fish. Yeah. Pasok mo si Arya guys. Hatid natin sila. Bye-bye. Lock kita. Lock the helmet, please. Let your skirt fly away, huh? Put it under, yes.
One eternity later.
Yan, si Arya naman now. Nakapasok na si Arya guys. So, si Arya, meron siyang play school. So, the preparation to guys para sa ano niya. Kasi, mag-school year ng aming dudong for the next year. Good morning, bye-bye. Bye-bye to them, bye-bye. Bye-bye to them. Here. Bye-bye.
Close your eyes. Get some rest.
You don't like that?
I'm by your
Later
side.
lang, later. Ayaw niya pagod.
Lay your head on my chest.
Pipip.
I know you've had
Yun na, bye-bye.
really
1, 2, 3, go!
but I'm right here. It's gonna